Welcome back.
Welcome back. I'm going to do this just to be careful. I'm not sure exactly the rules, but this is about it, I'd say.
Okay.
Already
That's fine.
all lit up.
We'll get the cause of this and just come back to it later.
Yeah, let's make the nether portal now as soon as we can. You put that power 4 in your bow, by the way, if you haven't already.
Yeah, I had to make a, what's it called, I had to get an iron for an anvil, so I'll make that now.
How much string you got?
16 at the minute.
Okay. We're gonna be coming back here anyway. What am I doing? I'm really out of it this game.
I named my bow Wowie, and there's the first kill.
Road are slain by Pelikosaur. It's Pelion. He's on 46. Should I just throw away the melon seeds? Do we need any more? Actually, I'll keep them on me in case that we
Yeah.
fuck up or something.
Come here, Waka.
Yeah. Well, thank you. I just lost my torches. Are you serious?
Ooh,
Torches just bugged and I lost them.
weird.
This is okay. There they are. Find them.
Okay.
Way.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, here, take a
How
pill.
much redstone you got?
Stack.
Okay, I'm gonna throw you mine because you have all the redstone.
I'm gonna make a soul quickly.
Okay, do you have any gold?
I have 2 smelted, 3 unsmelted.
Okay, we can make another gapple. So
Okay.
take this gold and make it when you can. I'm gonna get a second warp bucket just in case.
I'm gonna keep 1 smelted and 1 unsmelted, just so if we pick up.
I died!
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You wanted another gap, right? Because you're lower than me. I'm still Iron Man.
I'll keep a hold of it, sure.
Go for it. Alright, let's go down and make this thing. So we've got the chords in the chat.
Hopefully they grow. It's just that the chunks aren't loaded. This could be a problem. Hello?
Yeah, I've just put the
Okay,
things
oh,
in the
you're
chat. Just so, like, okay, if we need to come back to it, we can come back to it. Okay, I'm hoping that there's lava here. If there's not, that's gonna be real sad. And there's a second kill.
Chloe got killed!
Chloe, let's go.
I'll just sit here and wait for you to do it.
At this
How many
rate,
hours you got?
me, I have 2 stacks and 40.
2 stacks of 40, okay. It's like a half stack then, just so we're even.
Woo. More inventory space, more stuff to take in my inventory for space I don't have.
I think I gave you too much there, but... Oh, the war is gone.
Yeah, because I had to move it, because I don't...
Oh, you moved it, okay. I thought you just... lava just killed it. We need to make the key.
Bang.
Oh, you already got it.
I'm just gonna quickly empty my inventory, because it's actually, like, really, really full. I'm gonna check out these ARs if you want to pick them up. Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah. You got power 4, right? Yeah,
Yup.
you did, yeah.
We're in. It is unlooted.
We in.
I see a person. Diamond legs down there.
Oh yeah, who is that? That
Dunno.
looks like Julian. I forgot that was Julian.
Do we want to go for him? Ooh,
There
diamond.
were diamonds already.
Again, we only need 3. Oh, 2!
diamonds.
Holy shit. That's big. Just mind the rest of the quartz, by the way. Take as much levels as we can. Again, we need to be careful of like just the thing.
Yeah, keep an eye open of people, by the way. 'cause
Yeah,
they could
especially if the
backstab us or
portal.
something.
Like if someone just
Yeah.
comes through the portal right now. Do you want to just
I
mind?
think we made a new. I think we made a new portal.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there's
Oh, I see
fortress.
diamond. I see a diamond over there.
Do you
There's a
want to go
diamond
for it?
right there. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I
This
see it
is
as
quite
well.
Far away, though.
There's a fortress as well.
Okay, let's just go in this direction. We need nether wart, remember?
Yep.
Yeah, so you gotta watch out for the doors downstairs. You gotta protect
Ooh.
the doors.
Ooh, diamond right here.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, holy shit.
Yeah, so we got
Yeah,
3
that-
already, so we have enough. So we can always go back through, get enchanted, and come back.
Oh yeah, there's someone inside that portal because there's cobble. Oh, there's 2 diamonds right here. Okay, we're
Very
in the money.
nice. Okay, so we could just.
The thing is,
We-
we're either getting really lucky or they upped the rates, and I don't think they did.
They said
up the rates. I
1%.
think
They said
we're just-
1%.
Yeah, this is so lucky.
Wow, ridiculous.
We were took ages for us last time.
Mhm.
Test game.
I haven't taken damage
How
yet.
do we?
Yeah, no, that's what.
I've taken a little bit of damage. There's so much cobble over here. Oh no, gravel, but there's cobble as well.
I actually really want to get a kill with this bow, and everyone just spamming chat. What the fuck? Why did he get that?
Did you name it?
Yeah, I named it Wowie.
Wowie.
Wowie. All one word.
Wowie.
Not even 2 words.
Okay, I've got 5 diamonds on me.
See, I have.
So
I have.
should we get another
3.
one?
We can try. We can see if we can.
Okay, where are you?
I'm right
Yeah,
behind you. I just don't
Okay,
want to
let's
take damage while coming down.
Let's try and get another wart. Because I want to come back to the nether, but I don't want. I'd
Yeah,
rather
we
be
need to come back
enchanted.
to Nether.
Oh yeah, obviously. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
I'd rather be enchanted. How many diamonds you got?
3, so we have enough for the enchants right now.
Yeah, I've got 5 on me, so we got a really good amount.
Is that a safe way down, or do we need to like dig through the wall?
Come over here. Let's dig down over here. Let's go over here.
Oh, we can just go over there, Wacko. You see over there? There's a fortress just at the top over here. If we go down.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not a big fan of close quarters, honestly, especially with a bow like this.
Yeah. Try and stay shifty as much as you can. Because people see our names first, I think. Because we're together.
We got great names, so we got probably. Oh, I found the indoor bit of like the fucking fortress. I hit with a skeleton, I think.
Nice.
Yeah, you can come down here. Oh, it's
Oh,
a
it's a
regular
player
skeleton.
first, like a second.
What?
Fucking hell. Oh, somebody came in through here as well. There was
Oh, I
big
don't.
dog.
They dug around, maybe.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I hit a blaze. This is a very small section of this thing. Yeah, someone's definitely come through here. You can tell because they've mined through
Yeah,
here.
there's tons of
Where's
cobble
skeleton
around
left?
as well.
Will skeleton literally
yeah.
left? Ooh, please be careful. It's
Oh
lagging.
my god, it's lagging.
Oh my
It's
god.
lagging, it's lagging.
Walk back. I think he just froze. Yeah, he just froze. Oh, we're inside each other. That's Pixie. Oh.
Oh wait, it's fine, it's fine. He's free high, he's free
Okay.
high.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, look, Wacko, they came from down here. You can see over there.
There.
I think this is looted. I'd rather just go back through and get enchanted, I think, if we played safe.
Okay. Let's do it.
And again, we can always come back. It's not like this is the last time we're going to be in the nether, but I'd rather go back,
Yeah.
get enchanted, and then come back again.
Yeah, this
Oh my god, why is there a gap there?
nice one.
Why
mate.
is there why is there literally a hole there? That is the worst hole.
You did that was
I did
literally
not
you.
do that. I did not
You did, you actually did. You dug down and said, "Oh, it's a big bit." And then
Well, I would have healing, but you nommed on all of it because you had to heal 3 times.
there you go.
No, oh yeah, he's still at the gap, thank god. Nom. Okay, I took no damage at all. Oh, I just realised I lost iron, man, sad times. Now we gotta find our way back. I think it was this way. Yeah, portal's over there.
Yeah, it's just this way over there.
But you know, at least there is like someone's there a portal somewhere down there. I wonder whether
I
we're
think
gonna.
our portal's there,
I'm hoping we come back through our own and not someone else's.
Yeah, fucking elf. It's not our own. We should have thought about that actually.
Yeah,
we do have the cord saved.
Let's
actually,
just
so
go through together. Hopefully it's ours, because we don't want to go all the way back to it and like not have our melons.
Yeah.
It is not ours. Shifts.
Oh.
Where are cords? We're pretty close to where we were.
Fair. Yeah, that's the same cord.
It's someone
That's
who
great.
doesn't mine any redstone at all.
That's disgusting.
This is a very.
Oh, there's someone.
Piston,
someone
piston,
right
yeah,
there.
yeah. Did they see us? They didn't see us.
I think it's Julian.
Yeah, no,
It's
just
Julian.
go around the corner. Go around the corner. Let them come towards us.
Wait, where are they?
They went back through the portal, I think. We could go through and we could try and
They
jump
must
them.
have saw us. They must have saw us. I
You
don't
sure?
really want to do that. That'd be risky because his teammate might be there.
Oh yeah, he's there. He's
I think
coming.
we should just.
He's gonna go through the portal.
He's not.
Be careful of them coming from behind us. He's just gonna completely wall off. So I don't know how worth it is to chase him. I think he's digging up right now. Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go up anyway. So.
Okay, I want to deactivate the portal and then I want to mine the obsidian.
Are you mining obsidian?
For the enchant.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm hoping that is a deactivated portal. I think it is.
So, like, yeah, it is.
I'm gonna make the pick now. I know you have 5, but I'll just make it. Oh, that was
Yeah, you
scary.
can do that.
I wish I think I should have just meleeed him. I think we would have got him if we jumped him and meleeed him, but I bowed him.
Yeah, we just meleeed him, but oh well.
He knows I have an enchanted bow now.
I would have felt bad killing Julian in a cave.
Oh, he normally dies in the
literally
cave.
always-
Yeah.
yeah, he does.
And he complains about it, doesn't he? Can you just keep an eye on the portal? Because I'm so scared that portal's just gonna re-fucking activate.
Yeah, I'm just getting more.
Yeah, but we'll dig up, hopefully go back to our thing. We're only 400 blocks away from it, so we're not too far. But yeah, he must have gone through his portal and then popped out ours. So necessarily, we might not actually come through our portal again when we go back through. We might come out a different portal. It's so weird the way Nether portals work.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you pass? Drop me 2 diamonds, Kobe. I have 25 books, so again, if you want to make a really good sword. Or if you want to save, it's up to you.
Save.
Save, got you. Did you pick up the anvil, by the way?
No.
Sad times, dude.
Do you have
Heartbreaking.
any iron?
Iron, I have 10.
I have 7.
Okay, there's iron here. Time to mine.
I'm gonna wall this off because I'm kind of paranoid as well.
Now that that's happened.
They know where we are now as well. Light and
Yeah, they do.
okay. And Light is good at the game. Julian is pretty good at bow, which obviously is a cave, so it doesn't really matter that much, but still.
Is that why he hates dying in caves?
That's one of the reasons. But he also just always dies in caves. Like, it's actually kind of sad.
We've no gold, that's the only thing. Okay, I had 59. You said you had 7, right?
7 what?
Yeah, iron.
Iron, yeah.
Yeah, so I have 25, so we can make the anvil. I've just got to smell up. The sad thing is, I know this bow's gonna break at some point if we take prolonged mode fights. Oh, yeah, the thing is, Julia, if he's still in the Nether, might spawn through our portal as well. Oh, which?
What?
Oh, thank God, it was just slow.
Oh my god.
I heard footsteps, I'm like,
Holy
what?
shit.
Server's lagging as well, because I should have picked up XP. Are you lagging? No, you're not.
Yeah, that was a little bit. It's when somebody logs out. It's weird as fuck. Okay, we need a. You're smelling around.
Do you want to
God's
make?
sake,
Do you want to make a sword, or do you want to save?
Save.
Save, guy.
Scared the fuck out of me. You scared the shit out of me there when you just screamed. I thought there was a player.
Did I scream?
Well, no, you didn't, but like, you know what I mean.
Oh, okay. I need to find more iron because I apparently made blast prot legs accidentally. Because my push to talk button is apparently also a Minecraft click button, so it acts as like a mouse click as well.
Very helpful.
It's just mouse 4, so mouse 4 apparently acts as mouse 1 as well.
Here you go. Can you give me some books? Thank you.
I need one more iron, and then I have this, my legs better.
Can I have 2 iron over there?
Yeah, of course, take it. Make an extra sword.
Gonna make sharp 2.
Okay, I'm 3/4 proj prot, so I want to try and avoid melee fights.
I'll take
Them?
one of the prots.
Oh, yeah, sure. Which piece do you want? I've got legs, boots, and helm.
I'll take boots.
Wait.
I actually don't know why I did that. Because I was already 2
Oh,
pieces.
we got another kill. Who died?
Joseph killed Peace.
Holy shit, I just got 2 proj prot books. Do you want a piece?
I've already got proj 2 on my bits.
Okay, I'll go sharp 2 for now. Sharp 2 should be fine. I'm not going to be trying to melee anyway. I'm going to try to avoid melee, especially with the bow that I have. Do you want to head up to surface and go back towards Arcade?
I kind of want to go and get that nether wart.
Back in the thing.
Yeah, back in the nether.
Do you want to reactivate the portal then?
Yeah, I think I do. But I want to get level 5 first so I can get sharp 2. Because I need level 5 for the book.
Go for it.
So 2 more levels now come. Thing is, we don't have any healing, which is bad, but
Yes, that's one of the things.
we are enchanted, which is
There's
great.
redstone. There's 2 veins of redstone over here if you haven't
Yeah,
found them
I
already.
know I'm right. Yeah, I'm here.
How many levels you got now?
Okay, I've got the sharp 2. I'm ready to go when you are.
Alright, I'll activate it again if you pick up the stuff.
I have a
Alright.
prop book as well, but I'm going to keep that for a diamond piece potentially.
Reactivate the portal. Oh my god, there's pistons!
there's someone here.
You gotta run! He's one! Oh my god,
Oh my
holy
God.
shit. I feel so bad, but again, nothing we can do
He was
about
right
that.
there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, never walk. You only had 2 though. You dropped never walk. Oh no, I dropped never walk. Shit. Here, Wacko, take this stamp pick.
Thank you.
You can also
feel
take that
bad.
diamond helmet. Yeah, I feel really bad as well. End episode.